What if I told you that in the next 60 minutes, I'm going to create a viral video using only AI? From idea to upload, with zero filming, zero expensive equipment, and zero team. And not just any video, but one designed to get views, watch time, and real engagement. I'm not going to hide anything. You'll see every step, every tool, every decision. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. So don't skip, because each step builds on the last one, and the final result might surprise you. If you're really excited to learn how to use AI to grow on YouTube and build real income streams, make sure you like this video right now and subscribe to AI Side Hustle. I post simple practical strategies that you can actually use even if you're starting from zero. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next on this channel. Alright, let's start the clock. 60 minutes. The goal is simple. Create a viral style video using only AI tools. No manual scripting from scratch. No voice recording with my real voice. No editing everything myself, frame by frame. I want to show you how powerful AI can be when you use it the smart way. The first thing I need is a strong idea, because no matter how good the editing is, if the idea is weak, the video won't perform. So instead of guessing, I'm going to use AI to research trending topics. I type in a prompt asking for high engagement YouTube video ideas in the niche of online income and AI side hustles. I specifically ask for ideas that create curiosity, urgency, and emotional pull. Within seconds, AI gives me a list of titles. Some arekai. Some are boring, but then I see one that instantly stands out. I tried making money with AI for 7 days. Here's what happened. That format works because people love experiments. They want results. They want proof. It creates a story automatically, so I tweak it slightly to make it even stronger. I tried making money with AI for 7 days. The results shocked me. Now I ask AI to analyze why this title could go viral. It explains that it has curiosity, a time frame, and a promise of surprising results. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. Remember, viral videos usually trigger one of 3 emotions: curiosity, fear of missing out, or inspiration. This one hits curiosity and inspiration at the same time. Now that I have the concept, I move to scripting. Instead of just saying, "Write me a script," I give detailed instructions. I tell the AI to write in a storytelling style: simple English, emotional, and conversational. I ask for a strong hook in the first 20 seconds, pattern interrupts throughout the video, and soft calls to action that feel natural. The more specific you are with the AI, the better your output. The first draft comes out fast. But here's something important. Never use the first draft blindly. Viral content is rarely created in one try, so I refine italiano. I ask AI to make the hook more dramatic. I ask it to shorten long sentences. I ask it to add tension before revealing results. This back and forth takes maybe 10 minutes, but it dramatically improves the script. While the script is being refined, I'm already thinking ahead about visuals, because watch time is not just about what you say, it's about what people see. So I ask AI to generate a shot list. For example, when I talk about starting with zero money, the visual should show empty wallets, blank screens, maybe dramatic music suggestions. When I talk about earnings, we show dashboards, numbers, increasing, notification sounds. Now we move to voice. Since I'm using only AI, I paste the final script into an AI voice generator. I choose a female voice that sounds natural and friendly. Not robotic, not too fast, slightly energetic but calm. This is important because tone affects retention. If the voice sounds boring, people click away. If it sounds too aggressive, people get tired. Balance is key. I generate the audio. It takes a couple of minutes. While that's processing, I move to visuals. Instead of filming myself, I use AI image and video generators. I create scenes that match the script. For example, when the script says day 1, I had no idea what I was doing. I generate a cinematic image of someone staring at a laptop late at night with a confused expression. When it says by day 3, something changed, I create a brighter scene with charts slowly rising. Now, here's something powerful. Instead of static images, I use AI tools that animate them. Slight zoom effects, subtle movement, light flickers. These tiny motions make the video feel alive, and that increases watch time more than most beginners realize. Next, I bring everything into an AI video editor. I upload the voiceover, then drag and drop the visuals according to the timeline. Some AI editors can automatically match visuals to script keywords, which saves even more time. I add background music, soft but motivational, never too loud. The voice must always be clear. Now, I focus on retention tricks. Around the 30-second mark, I add a quick pattern interrupt, a sudden zoom, a sound effect, a line like, "But here's where things went wrong." That line alone creates tension. Viewers want to know what went wrong, so they keep watching. Around the 2-minute mark, I introduce a mini cliffhanger. I say something like, "Day 4. I almost quit." Then I don't explain immediately. I continue the story. This technique stretches curiosity. It keeps viewers engaged longer. At the 5-minute mark, I insert a subtle value boost. I explain one actionable step viewers can copy immediately. This makes the video feel useful, not just entertaining. Useful videos get shared more. Now let's talk about the thumbnail, because even the best video won't go viral without clicks. I use AI to generate multiple thumbnail concepts. I ask for high contrast, emotional expression, bold text with only 3 or 4 words. Something like $0 to $1,000. Or AI paid me. Simple, clear, emotional. Then I ask AI to analyze which thumbnail would likely get higher, click-through rate, and why. It compares color contrast, facial expression, intensity, and curiosity factor. I pick the strongest one. We're about 40 minutes into the process now. Script on, voice done, visuals done, editing done, thumbnail ready, all powered by AI. Before exporting, I do one more thing. I ask AI to optimize the description and tags. I request SEO-friendly keywords related to AI side hustles, making money online, passive income with AI. I also asked for a pinned comment idea that encourages engagement, like, would you try this for 7 days? Comment yes or naitradym. Manox. Now I export the video. And just like that, in under 60 minutes, a complete viral style YouTube video is ready. But here's the real lesson. It's not just about tools. It's about structure, hook, story, tension, value, emotional payoff. That formula works whether you use AI or not. AI just speeds it up. Let's break down why this works so you can repeat it. First, strong hook. Second, clear promise. Third, storytelling with rising tension. Fourth, visual movement every few seconds. Fifth, emotional payoff. Sixth, strong thumbnail and title combination. Most people fail on YouTube not because they lack talent, but because they lack structure. They post random videos without strategy, but when you combine strategy with AI speed, you create leverage. Imagine doing this once a week or twice a week. That's 8 AI-powered videos a month. Even if only one starts gaining traction, it can lift the entire channel. And the best part, you don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive gear. You just need creativity and consistency. Now, I want to be honest. Not every AI-generated video will go viral. But the goal is not perfection. The goal is volume plus quality. When you consistently produce optimized content, your chances increase dramatically. Think about it like this. Traditional video creation might take 8 to 10 hours. AI cuts that down to 1 or 2 hours. That means you can test more ideas faster. And testing is how you win on YouTube. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start a channel, this is it. The tools are here. The opportunity is here. The only question is whether I take action. And if this video is opening your eyes to what's possible, drop a comment below and tell me what kind of AI video you want to create. I read comments, and sometimes I turn them into future content. Also, if you found value here, share this video with someone who keeps saying they want to start YouTube, but never do. You might be the reason they finally begin. On AI Side Hustle, my mission is simple. I want to show you practical ways to use AI to create income, build skills, and design more freedom in your life. No hype, just smart strategy. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. The creators who learn how to use it early will have an unfair advantage. And you're already ahead because you're watching this. So, here's your challenge. In the next 24 hours, use AI to brainstorm one video idea. Just one. Script it, generate a voiceover. Create simple visuals. Don't overthink it. Publish, then repeat. Momentum beats perfection every time. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes experiment, make sure you're subscribed to AI Side Hustle. Turn on notifications and let me know in the comments if you want me to do another challenge, like this maybe, creating a full faceless YouTube channel in 24 hours using only AI. I'll see you in the next video.